Hey guys, it's your boy Enigma, aka Panos Senses, and today I recently ordered some classic Legos. I believe you might know them as Hero Factory. Was that a good line, guys? I don't know how it goes. And luckily, I was eBay, and the person sold it says it's a 100% complete as assembled. So let's get started, people. There we go. Now I will just follow the instructions. Okay. Now we just take this piece. Okay. I also ordered Meltdown from the first wave of Hero Factory. Meltdown was cool, if you ask me. Corona was also cool. Explode and the others are awesome from Wave of 1. If you remember correctly about the brain creatures from the Hero Factory special Brain Attack, to defeat the brain creatures, you have to knock them on the red spikes on their head. That was an interesting thing for me. Okay, here we go so far. Come on, well, sort of the audible pieces. Weird. Something seems to be missing. There it is. So it was covered by the blue brain piece. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we'll attach the chest armor. Blue headpiece. Ah, sorry. It's the wrong headpiece. Wrong channels, that's not blue piece. Brain attachment engaged. Okay. There we go, almost completed. Let's see, almost put it on. Okay, well, we just attach one more piece. There. I give it the Aquagon. Oh, that's the official name. This is powerful. Oh. Oopsie, I misbit stuff. Sorry about this, guys. For once, within years, I actually did a Hero Factory set. I was a fan of Hero Factory back in the day, but like I completely forgot how to do it. I guess that's what happens when like you grow up. There we go. Yeah. And voila, Aquagon. He's got rotating arms and a brain thing on the head, joints all over. And with Aquagon, you can combine his swords into a dual sword. It's cool, right? Well, that's all for now. I had one more brain hack figure coming, and or the root and a Inferno figure from the Jungle line. So remember, that's all. That's all I gotta say. Remember, keep your imaginations active, toys to play with. And remember, how's the drugs? I'll see you next time. Don't like, comment, share, subscribe, and check out some more of my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.